Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 7th of June 2021, where in just a few minutes I'll tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Michael Thompson, in the chair this afternoon for Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 was down slightly today, closing 0.2% lower to 7,282 points. It did hit a new intraday high early in the day though, climbing to 7,309 points before dropping back. National Australia Bank and three casino groups, Crown Resorts, Star Entertainment and the New Zealand casino operator SkyCity Entertainment, all closed lower today after announcing this morning that they were subject to enforcement investigations by AUSTRAC. NAB has been in talks with the Anti-Money Laundering Authority for a number of years now over certain transactions, and it follows claims against Commonwealth Bank and Westpac. The casinos have also had a series of challenges with alleged money laundering. SkyCity was the worst performer on the S&P ASX 200 today, with its share price closing down almost 6.5%. NAB was down 3.2%, Star Entertainment was down 2%, and Crown shares dipped 1.5%. It wasn't a good day for the travel companies either, with three of the four worst performers from the sector. Corporate Travel Management, Webjet and Flight Centre all closed down around 5%. But it was a different story altogether at software company Altium. The group's board rejected a $5.05 billion bid for the business from Nasdaq-listed software giant Autodesk. The board said the $38.50 per share offer undervalued the business, even though Altium's share price on Friday when it went into a trading halt was $27.20, with the offer representing a premium of more than 40%. Anyway, Altium's share price soared off the back of the rejection, climbing 39% today to close at $37.83. It was by far the best performer on the S&P ASX 200 today, and I know it's only Monday, but I suspect it could well be the best performer of the week. A couple of other good results in the tech sector, with the embattled software group Nui closing up more than 6%, as did artificial intelligence company Appen. The board of Hansen Technologies has recommended a bid from BGH Capital to acquire the software company. The group's share price jumped 23% today. In economic news, the federal government and major banks will be able to borrow relatively cheaply in international credit markets after S&P Global Ratings revised the government's AAA rating to stable, removing it from a potential downgrade list. S&P welcomed Australia's strong economic rebound. Australia was put on a negative outlook back in April last year. A AAA rating allows the government and major banks to access money at lower interest rates. And job ads jumped by nearly 8% in May and are close to 40% higher than before the pandemic, according to the ANZ Job Ads Survey. The data adds to the growing weight of evidence that the employment market, which pleasantly surprised authorities even throughout the pandemic, is stronger than forecast. ANZ said it expects the unemployment rate to fall to 4.4% by the end of next year. It's currently 5.6%. Checking the Aussie dollar, currently trading at 77.4 US cents. Gold is trading at $1,886 US dollars an ounce, and the oil price dropped slightly today to a touch over $69 US dollars a barrel. And that's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 7th of June 2021. Sean Aylmer will be back tomorrow morning for the regular edition of Fear and Greed with all of your business news. And in the Fear and Greed daily interview, he's talking to Fear and Greed's regular commodities expert, Daniel Hines from ANZ. The price of oil, gold, copper, coal and iron ore have all been up in recent weeks, and we're finding out what it means and just how long it'll continue. Don't miss it. I'm Michael Thompson. Enjoy your evening.